Keeping your Shopify store stocked with the right product is essential for any successful sales. And the good thing is, it is quite easy. But those who are relevantly new can make some mistakes. But no worries. This is Sakib from Ecomclips, and in today's video, I'll walk you through the whole step-by-step process of adding inventory in manual and using the CSV file. So whether you are just a seasoned seller or maybe starting out, you will be adding your inventory in no time, just like a pro. So first thing first, let's log into our Shopify CMH. So firstly, I'll try to upload the inventory in manual process and I'll show you the process. If you have lesser items like 10 to 12, then you can use this option because it will help you and there will be no mistake. So let's go to the screen. First, click on products from the left sidebar, and on the next page you have to select the product you want to update the inventory for. So I have selected my one and opening on the new page, and after that scroll down and you will see the location option. Here you will see a column that is available column. Under that you have to click on the digit, then you have to update according to your inventory, then click save. And this is the process of updating inventory manually. So simple, right? And now next part is uploading the inventory in bulk using CSV files. So first of all, we need to click on import from the product page and download the file for CSV. Then after the file is downloaded, open the file and you will see a few examples how to do that. So now I'm erasing this and adding my information. So here you can see my all product information are updated. Now I will click on column R, which is variant inventory, and I have to put my current available inventory on this part. Then when I will upload the file, it will generate the same inventory for the customers. So now save this file and go back to Shopify CMH. And after that, I have to click on import again, and here you will see that add file option. Click on it and I'll select the file that I prepared for inventory update. After that, you have to check the overwrite option and click upload overview. And the next page, you will see the overview, and if you think that is okay, then you can click on import. And after a few loading, your inventory will be uploaded. Now let's check if my product inventory got updated or not. So I'm searching my product on the product page again, and I can see the product already updated its stock according to my file, and you can see the 50 in stock. So this is how easily you can update your Shopify inventories. If you have 10 to 12 items, I'll suggest you to go with manual updates. But if you have a wide range of items, then you have to go with the CSV files. And don't worry, if you are still facing hassle, then don't forget to mail us at info@ecomclips.com. We are ready to help you. We are a full service e-commerce agency with more than 10 years of experience in e-commerce marketplaces like Shopify. So why delay? Call us today. We'll be happy to assist you. See you in the next video. Peace.